Everyone, welcome to the channel. So in the last video we have covered the arithmetic operators provided by the Python. So in this video we will cover all the comparison operators which are there in Python. So these are all six comparison operators which are there in Python. Like double equal to is used to check if the two values are equal or not equal to check if the values are not equal. This sign, greater than sign, to check greater value, less than sign to check the less than value. Then we have greater than equal to, and then we have less than equal to. So these are six operators which help us to compare the values in Python. So let's see the demo. It's very simple thing. So let's say we have two value x and y. Okay, now we can apply all these operators. Okay, let's say, let me just write all of these first. Then total six operators: x not equal to y, greater than y, less than y, then we have greater than equal to, and we have less than equal to. So now if we run our program, so if you see from here, okay, so first is x is equal to y. If both the values are equal, which is false. Okay, x is not equal to y, which is true. X is 20, x is 10 and y is 20. Next is x is greater than y, which is false again. X is less than y, which is true. Then x is greater than or equal to y, which is false because x is less than. And then x is less than or equal to y, which is true. Let me change the value to both are same now. Now if we run our program, so first is true because both values are equal. The not equal to, false. Greater than, because they are not greater than, x is not greater than, x is equal to, that's why it is false. X is less than again, which is false. So x is greater than or equal to y. Yes, so x is equal to y, that's why we are getting true again. And here x is less than or equal to. Okay, any condition should be true. Less than or equal to y, which is true because x is equal to y. Okay, so this is all about all the comparison operator in Python. In the next video we will cover the logical operators in Python. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.